Recently, I was looking for a cheap pair of wireless earbuds that would stay in my ear whilst running, and I found these, the Jesebang Yt18 earbuds. Is that how you pronounce it? Well, either way, this video is all about them. I was willing to take the chance on these budget range earphones as I wasn't too fussed on the best sound quality, best comfort, best features and all that other sound techno stuff, as the main purpose was only to use them whilst exercising. Now in the box you get one charging carry case containing 2 Jesebang earbuds, some additional earpieces, a small USB-C charging cable, and finally an instruction booklet. So let's check this thing out. Well, first of all, the matte black box that can charge these little music suppliers wherever you go does feel a bit cheap. It's nice and light, but it doesn't have that somewhat heavy premium build quality. And to be honest, I wasn't really expecting it for this price point. On the back is where you will find the USB-C charging input, and the top is covered by a flip open lid brandishing the Jesebang logo. Now when you flip this lid, this is where things take a dramatic turn for the better, because inside you enter an almost miniature chamber, the beginning of the sleek and high quality design that you are looking for. The earbuds and the case itself light up, presenting them to you like a pair of expensive cufflinks. But what I really like about the case itself is that it tells you how much charge it has left in it, whilst also charging indicators for the earpieces. And this is all polished together in this encased-like mould that draws the earbuds in with its magnetic pull. If we remove the well-designed earpieces, well, straight away these convey a sense of trendiness with their ergonomic shape and matte finish. The rubber around the ear holder is extremely durable, and I can imagine would take 2 elephants using it as a tug of war to break it. The earpods themselves are nice and petite too, with a simplistic but great looking exterior light to show when it's charging, pairing and so forth. The best thing though is that they fit snugly in your ears, and because of the around the ear rubber loop, they won't be falling out no matter how much you shake your head, which for me is obviously a crucial feature for exercise related use. On a side note too, the rubber band is also removable if you wish to use them without it. I've no idea why, but thought I'd best let you know. But let's now talk about connectivity, and I'm pleased to say, well, it's good, it's simple and quick to initiate. Using Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity with around a 10-meter range, to connect you just open up the case, take out both earpieces, turn on Bluetooth on your phone or device, and then you should see the Yt18 symbol notification. Select it, and then within a few seconds you are not only set up but also ready to go. The signal is a strong one as well. The only time in fact it disconnects is when I either go out of range or when they run out of power. And don't worry, you will get a couple of notifications alerting you before the battery totally dissipates. They do also have the standard automatic pairing mechanism. Basically, once your earphones are taken out of the case, they will immediately connect to the last paired device. And like I said, it's nothing new, but I'm glad that the Yt18 earbuds have them, because as well as the convenience, it also avoids the frustration of manually pairing the earphones every time you use them. Now, for those of you who took note at the start of this video, you'll remember that I wanted these earphones specifically for use whilst exercising. And this is where comfort and security take precedence. Thanks to the silky rubber tips and the round the ear membrane, these earbuds don't go anywhere, no matter how much you move. Basically, once they are in, they are staying in. Yes, the usual earpiece sizes are included to ensure you get the best comfort for you and your ears, plus with them being nice and lightweight, you can pretty much forget they are even in there. Getting back to using these earbuds whilst exercising, well, I've been wearing these during my usual 5 to 8 kilometer runs, and not once did I feel any discomfort. This is a significant plus for anyone who prioritizes stability and comfort during physical activity. Most importantly, they are also sweat resistant, which adds a layer of practicality for fitness enthusiasts, especially for me because I do get incredibly sweaty whilst running. But you don't want to hear about how sweaty I get, you want to know about the sound quality. Okay, here we go then. The sound quality is excellent for earphones of this budget caliber. Of course, I'm not a sound engineer or sound expert, but for using these earbuds for general listening or exercising like myself, they pass with flying colours. And you'll also be pleasantly surprised just how good the quality of the bass and vocals really is. I will say though, if sound quality is the most important aspect for you when it comes to headphones or earphones, then you may need to invest in a higher quality brand. Then of course that does mean emptying your pocket of a few more extra pennies. Taking calls seems to be flawless. Your phone will ring as normal, and then if you are listening to music, that will automatically pause, allowing you to either answer the call or reject it. If you answer, then you will hear whoever it is absolutely crystal clear. However, I have been told that I sound slightly quieter than usual when speaking through the Yt18 earbuds. Don't get me wrong, I can still be heard, I'm just not as loud as speaking directly into the phone. But to be honest, I don't think this is a fault of the earphones, but the actual ENC, and it's attempting to almost filter out any noise around me. So maybe it just does that a bit too much sometimes. Moving on to controls, well, they are just as you would find on most earbuds, if not all of them. You quickly tap twice to play or pause music. A single tap on the left will decrease volume, and then the same again on the right earbud to increase the volume. You can also skip tracks, answer calls, or even activate Siri if you are using these with an Apple device. It all works fine too, but personally, well, I just use the phone to control what I'm listening to. That's just my personal preference though, and nothing against the Yt18s. And finally, we arrive at another critical factor, which is the battery life. Now, the Yt18s can handle up to 8 hours on an approximate 1.5 hour charge. And considering that I use these every single day and have been for over a year now, I can happily stand by those claims. Just bear in mind, however, that the full 8 hours will fluctuate depending on usage and volume. But luckily, with your charging case to hand, that offers up to an additional 40 hours of charging. So there's no need to get anxious if you suddenly hear the battery low voice in your earbuds. So when it comes to an overall experience and opinion for these budget range but considerably high quality earphones, what do I think of them? First of all, I love them, and I would easily recommend them. A few notes to take with you, however, before you go rushing off to the till, is that if you do get extremely sweaty whilst exercising, then the buds do slightly come away from your ear canal. They won't fall out, of course, due to the rubber clamp, but you may find yourself trying to either push them back in or dry your ears slightly before continuing with your workout. In conclusion though, taking all that I've said and wrapping it all up together, these earbuds were a risk considering the price point, but it's easily a risk that has highly paid off. The Yt18 earphones are fantastic quality with exceptional comfort and reliability. The case itself does feel a bit cheap and cheerful, but does offer up to 40 hours of charge. And phone conversations can be a little tranquil for whoever you are speaking to, but this is greatly overcome by its good sound quality, its portability, and not forgetting its solid clinging to your ears caliber. And there we go, that was my review for the Jesebang Yt18 earbuds. So I hope this video has been of some use to you. However, if you've still got any questions or comments or even thoughts that you'd like to tell me about these earbuds, then please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Not forgetting, if you enjoyed this video and you like tech and gadgets, then please show your support to the channel by leaving a like and of course subscribing as well. But until next time, thank you all for watching, please do stay safe out there, and I'll see you all at some point very soon. Thank you.